YouTube family, how are you guys? I hope you are doing amazing. Karibuni sana to Essie's kitchen. Here we cook amazing and tasty meals, and if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and like, share, and even leave a comment down there. And today I'm preparing samosas for you guys, and now let's get to our ingredients. Here I have my flour. This is around 4 cups of flour, and then cooking oil, and then next salt, and then water. I'm using warm water, and then next I'm going to like make a hole here, and then I'm going to add my salt. This is around 3 tablespoons of salt, and then my cooking oil, this is around 3 tablespoons of cooking oil as well, but I'm not going to add yote. Then I'm going to mix my flour, mix it very well. Salt again. And then after there, now make another hole here. And then now let's mix our flour with water. You pour little by little until your dough is ready. And I'm going to make a soft one, not sticky, but a soft dough. Just pour little by little. As you can see, my dough is ready. Place in your surface and make sure your surface is clean. As you can see, it's not sticky, it's soft. And then I'm going to place it for maybe 30 minutes. I'm going to place it aside for like 30 minutes, like that. And next step now, here we have our minced meat already cooked. And I'm going now to mix it with my spring onions. I'm going to mix it with my spring onions. And then I'm going to add mafuta kidogo. As you can see, our mixture is ready. And then next, now I'm going to add our coriander. Going to add our coriander. From here now, let's go to the next step. This one is ready. And then after you finish adding your coriander, now let it simmer for maybe a little while, and then we go now to our next step. And then next step, we are going to divide our dough. Then as you can see, we are done. We're done with this one. And then next, we are going to dust our surface with flour. you take one of it, you do like this, spread it, not too big, make sure they're equal. Take another one with the same process, and then I'm going to apply a little oil, not too much because we don't want it to slide. And then next I'm going to spread my flour, and then place it like this. And then spread it, just simple like that. And then after you're done, we're going to put it in our pan. Put it in a pan. You place it like this. It's not that big, but wacha hivi isive kama chapati. And then next we're going to separate, as you can see, this one. And then we're going to cut like this. Here we have our pockets, samosas. Then you're going to do the same thing with our doves till you finish. Please consider subscribing if you haven't. Please don't forget to like. Thank you so much so far for your support. I love you guys. Let me show you how to fill and seal our pocket with our minced meat. And we have our paste. I've mixed water and flour together to get the paste. So you place it like this, and then you do like this, and then this other side. At the end of the tip, make sure there's no hole, because when you fry your samosas, sometimes mafuta will ingia ndani. So before we remove that paste, and then we do like this. Make sure there's no hole here. And then next, put in your minced meat. Sio mob sana, kidogo tu. And then you do like this, like you're kutengeneza ring, like an envelope. And then you apply your paste. And just like that, the samosas are ready. I'm going to do the same with the other pockets. guys, we are going out to fry our samosas. Make sure your oil is not too hot, just on a medium heat. Let's fry them. We fry them till they turn golden brown. As you can see guys, our samosas are ready. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Enjoy with your tea.